What's up guys, so we're here back in the video, yeah. So we're gonna play Roblox, of course. And guys, do you remember some of my videos when I play Blade Ball? Like that's years ago. Now let's try Blade Ball today. Maybe I can still play Blade Ball, bro. Let's try. Is that Fulton? Nah, look. The new. Why is. Let me just stop talking, bruh. Right, so. Not. So, guys. Oh, nah, bro. Why am I back here? So, guys, if you're. It's not 3K, bro. Just turn the screen off. Brother, did the goal even? Hey, yo, screen off. Screen off, guys. But let me use the Nebula shirt, aka the Nebula shirt. Nah, I'm lagging. Nah, bruh. Yo, a free sword. Where's the sword? Can't you see the sword, bro? I'm using this. Nah, just forget it. Let's go to the very last. Are you chill? I don't even own some of this. I'm not do that mistake anymore, bro. Late. Oh, nah. Game started so sad. Bro, wanted he. To give me the ball, or are you scared? Yeah, I'm absolutely dead. Nah, bro, I killed you. No. Let me try, bro. Let's just. Bro, I was lag. You see that? You this another ability. Oh no, I forgot to search. Alright, I forgot to pick the Nebula shirt. Right, how about let's go here. Aerodynamic aerodynamic slash, bro. What happened? Come here. Bro, can I use my ability in this game? No. Nah, that's the wanted guy. Next, I will be the wanted guy. I wish I'm the wanted guy. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Serious mode. Yo. Nah, if you win, I will destroy that girl. But do they know who I am? I'm the master of the ball. Oh! Bro, just start the clash. Oh no, don't. Maybe. Nah, bro, they're not even passing it to me. This looks like volleyball for a reason. Oh, nah. Nah. I wish they did not pass it to me. Yeah, bro, what even is this? I have mic, but I don't wanna use it. It's AFK mode now. Let's go here. Alright, I'm still live. Oh no, alright. I'm still with you. Oh, tell me that you love me. Yes. No. Hey, let's practice, bro. Let's actually train. Let's train. Hey, what you gonna say about that, bro? Want to clash? Oh. Alright, later, bro, let's clash. Let's clash, huh? Let me just clash with the players. Bro, pass it. I'm reaching. Nah, bro, don't pass it to me yet. Oh, I was clicking. Guys, I was clicking the jump button. Right. Let's clash. Bro, let's clash. No! Bro, why am I always hitting the... Clash, bro. Let's clash. No! Hey, yo, how about if I jump and I will hit the ball? Wee, that was cool. Hey, nah, I hit that. Everyone saw me, bro. So stop lying. Hey, come here. You want some fun? Nah, get up. Just, bro, I'm playing, bro. Nah. Oh yeah. What's up, buddy? Wanna die? I always keep... Bro, come here. Bro, I want to clash. I actually want to clash. Nah, no abilities, no. No abilities. I hate no abilities, bro. Not you even. Alright, that... Bro, he's the wanted guy again. Now you're gonna say Nana. Let's win, bro. Let's win. Oh yeah. What's up? Bro, let me use the... Bro. Yeah, bro. I will use my ability. Bro, I will actually use my ability. This is actually random, bro. Nah, I thought it was going for... Bye-bye. Bro, what you gonna say? Nah. At least this guy died, right? Yeah. Nah, I will just stop this. Wait, this... Oh, no. That's embarrassing. Alright. What the? Nah. That's just my warm up. Warm up. What's up? Nah, I hit that. Nah, man. Bruh. Why are you here? Bro, I'm playing. Wait, that looks like my... Well, that's Well, oh no, I'm here. Alright, I actually almost died. What the? I think that kid is AFK, right? And you will be AFK for 1,000. Why am I never been the wanted guy? I'll do my ability. That guy died. Let's go. Nah. Right. Let's do the last game and I will just turn off the video. Last game and I will turn off the video. Last game. Last game, bro. Last game. Bro, just let me win this game, alright? Next game. Like the next game, and I will just make that guy lose. Embarrass myself. Nah. Jump thing. Now let me just stop. Alright, somebody wins. Bro, I go first. I gun first. Nah, I quit. No. Bro, I hate no abilities. Nah, bro, let's just restart the voting, right? No, maybe. Wait, no abilities, right? Stop. Nah. Peace. See you at the next video. So, my next video is tomorrow. So, bye guys. Peace.